Today's show is all about recipes that have nuts in them. The first recipe that I'm going to be making today is a Jello salad. And I'm starting with a cup of boiling water. I've got a 4-ounce can of crushed pineapple that I have drained. And I'm going to add the pineapple juice to the water. And in a separate bowl, I've got a half a cup of water that I'm going to add black cherry gelatin to. And we're going to dissolve that. All right, and our water and our pineapple juice is boiling. So we're going to add that to the gelatin. And now I'm going to put this in the refrigerator, and I'm going to let it chill until it just begins to set. We don't want it to get hard, though, because we're going to add our pineapple, our dried cranberry, and some more sugar, and naturally nuts. All right, that's completely dissolved now, and I've got one in here ready and waiting on us. And you can see how it's just starting to set up. And to this, we're gonna add a half a cup of sugar, our pineapple, and I'm using a dried cranberry. Now, the recipe calls for fresh cranberries, but you know, we can't get those just any time of year, so the dried works nicely. And then last but not least, our nuts. And I'm using pecans. Now, you could use macadamia nuts would be wonderful along with the pineapple. So you can use any kind you want to. All right, now I'm just gonna pour this into our mold. If you've got one of those pretty little dainty molds, you can put it in that, but I'm just gonna use this bowl that I had up in the cabinet. All right, now I'm gonna stick this in the refrigerator, and I'm gonna let it sit until it's set. And you know I have one ready. Now I'm gonna just sit this bowl in some hot water. You'll want to be careful that you don't let the hot water come into your gelatin. And then I'm going to take my knife and just run around the edge just to make sure that our gelatin slips right out for us. All right. All right, now I'm just going to invert our plate, and hopefully it's going to slip right out. And I think I just heard like a sound. Let's see if I did or not. Oh, I did hear it. Doesn't this look good? But it's not quite finished yet. I want to show you what I like to serve with this salad. Nobody eats parsley, but it's just not complete without something green. Now, in the two bowls, I have sour cream in this one, and I have whipping cream in this one. If you like a savory salad, I like to use sour cream. If you want your salad to serve almost as a dessert, then you'd want to use the sweetened whipped cream. And I'm kind of a savory girl, so I'm just gonna put a dollop of sour cream on the top of mine. And just a little parsley to add some pizzazz to it. But see how pretty that is, how very simple and pretty? And it's just full of those nuts that I just love. Look how good that looks. You can see the pineapple and all those pecans and the tartness of the sour cream. I just love it. I've got to take a quick break. And coming up next, I'm going to do a pecan crusted fish with a wonderful remoulade sauce, so y'all don't go anywhere. I want y'all to be here with me today and go nuts with me. So I'll see y'all back in a minute.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.